This 2027 Aliner Evolution LG is a pop-up RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Aliner is 18 feet 0 inches in length and features a gray interior, sleeps 3, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, LP detector, stovetop burner, water heater, smoke detector, refrigerator, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this pop-up RV features front dinette, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Aliner Evolution LG is 2,390 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.